Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you this counter. Like this you can count any object or person. So let's get started. For this we need IR sensor. This is the homemade IR sensor module. The left pin is positive and the rightmost pin is the negative and the middle pin is Vout. And I already uploaded a video on this, link in the description below. Its VCC should be connected to the plus 5 volt, ground is connected to the ground, and here it is Vout pin. Now we need Arduino. Vout is connected to D5 of Arduino. 5 volt pin of Arduino is connected to the plus 5 volt and ground is connected to the ground. Then we need Nokia display, Nokia 5110. 5 pins of Arduino should be connected to the display. Reset is connected to the D12 and this one is D11, D9 and D8. VCC of the display is connected to the plus 5 volt, ground is connected to the ground, and BL pin, that is backlight LED. With this we have to connect a 220 ohms resistor and then it is connected to the plus 5 volt. So this is all about the circuit connection. Now we have to see the program. Now for this program we need to go on this link and then we have to download this library. This is the downloaded file and we have to unzip it. Now we have to copy this and we have to paste it to library. Now here is our program. Now this header file will work. Now I'll upload this code. Connect both the positive and negative rails. Positive and negative of IR sensor are connected. Arduino and display ground are connected. Positives of display and Arduino are connected. Backlight pin is connected to positive through 220 ohms resistor. D12 to reset. D11 to CE. Now our connection is completed. After uploading the code, I am connecting the 5 volt power supply. Here it is showing total object. Now one object, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and like this it will increase. So this is how you can make object counter using Arduino and Nokia 5110 display. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you like this video. If so, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt on this, then please let me know in the comment section. In the next video, I'll show you another topic. Till then, stay happy and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.